So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Nikola Corporation put options, ticker symbol NKLA in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So what you have to do is go into your account. So for me, for this example, it's going to be in my non-registered account. Go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Now you can either go to the search bar right under where it says discover at the top, press on the search bar and type in ticker symbol NKLA. For the Nikola Corporation, you can press on that, or what you can do is press on cancel, then press on the options button, then go to where it says more, so right below where it says TQQQ for me at the bottom right, press on more, slide down to where it says ticker symbol NKLA, and that is the Nikola Corporation. So I'm going to go ahead and press on Nikola Corporation. Now, if you want to buy some put options for this stock, simply go to at the top here where it says NKLA will rise by. Press on rise, change that to the put option by pressing on put option, so that it should now say NKLA will fall by. If you want to change the date, press on the date at the top right. Press on the date that you want to change it to. Now, if you want to go out of the money, you can go to the bottom here and go out of the money for the strike price, or if you want to go in the money, you can slide up and go in the money for some other strike prices. So you can press whatever one you want that you're wishing to buy options for. Then once you're done, press on buy, and there you go. That is how to buy Nikola Corporation ticker symbol NKLA put options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.